Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about things in a bedroom. Listen and learn with me. This is a bed. We sleep on the bed. This is a pillow. We put our head on the pillow. This is a blanket. We use the blanket to stay warm. This is a sheet. The sheet is on the bed. This is a lamp. The lamp gives us light. This is a nightstand. It is next to the bed. This is an alarm clock. It wakes us up. This is a wardrobe. We keep clothes in the wardrobe. This is a mirror. We look in the mirror. This is a curtain. We close the curtain at night. This is a window. We look outside from the window. This is a dresser. We keep clothes in the dresser. This is a rug. The rug is on the floor. This is a chair. We can sit on the chair. This is a desk. We can study or write on the desk. These are books. We read books in bed. This is a hanger. We hang clothes on the hanger. This is a laundry basket. We put dirty clothes in it. These are slippers. We wear slippers in the bedroom. This is a fan. It keeps the room cool. This is a TV. We can watch TV in the bedroom. This is a picture frame. It has a photo inside. This is a plant. The plant is in the bedroom. This is a ceiling light. It is on the roof of the room. This is a door. We open and close the door. Great job. Now, you know 25 things in a bedroom. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.